right, hi, I'm Carr with Reflections Hood Cleaning. We're here at the Grange Fair cleaning kitchen hoods for these food trucks. Typically, there's no hood cleaner that comes and helps them, so we decided this would be a market that could use our services. A lot of these vendors come from a fair previously and they come over here and they're looking to get set up and ready, and for them, cleaning their hood system is something that takes a lot of time and a lot of concerted effort that takes away from them prepping for the fair. So we're able to come in and really help these vendors. There's a lot of food trucks here, and this is kind of the rat race time where they're all scrambling to get everything put together and get ready for the fair. And so we're able to come in and help these food trucks get their hoods cleaned. I'm shining them up, getting all the grease off of them, and then we're gonna put them back in and head to the next food truck. To get the grease out of the hoods, we have pressure washer with the diesel burner, and this has a temperature gauge on it, so we can crank this all the way up to 250 degrees, and that helps eat away and break the grease off the hood and the filters and gets it clean. Without the heat, can't clean it. We are able to get into the ductwork and take out those pieces that we need to be cleaned. And a lot of those things don't get taken apart when somebody typically cleans them. And so there's grease that's behind the edges where you can't see, and it never ends up getting cleaned. So it's a huge fire hazard. So we come in kind of with a mechanical approach of taking the system, the pieces apart that need to be cleaned, and cleaning them piece by piece and then putting them all back. Like a glove.